Join me as I dive deep into the mysteries of the moon's dark side and try to uncover its hidden secrets. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating topic that has sparked curiosity in people's minds for centuries: the moon's dark side. You might have heard of it, but do you really know what it is and why it's so shrouded in mystery? In this video, we'll delve into the secrets of the moon's far side, debunk some common misconceptions, and explore the latest discoveries that have left scientists amazed. The moon's dark side is often misunderstood, and many people think it's a perpetual night zone, devoid of sunlight. But that's not entirely true. The far side of the moon does experience day and night, just like the near side, but it's the side that always faces away from Earth. The reason we don't see it from our planet is because the moon is tidally locked to Earth, which means it takes the moon the same amount of time to rotate on its axis as it takes to orbit our planet. This peculiar phenomenon has made the far side of the moon a bit of an enigma, and as a result, it has remained largely unexplored. For decades, space agencies and scientists have been trying to study the moon's far side, but it's a daunting task. The lack of direct observation makes it challenging to gather data, and the harsh lunar environment doesn't make it any easier. Until recently, we had limited information about the moon's dark side, and many questions remained unanswered. But with advancements in technology and space exploration, we're finally starting to uncover some of the far side's secrets. Despite the challenges, scientists have been pushing the boundaries of lunar exploration. From the early Soviet Union's Luna missions to NASA's Apollo program, each step has brought us closer to understanding the moon's far side. With the help of orbiters, landers, and rovers, we've been able to gather a wealth of information, and the data is revealing some astonishing facts. The far side of the moon is unlike anything we've seen before. Its composition, geology, and even its atmosphere are distinct from the near side. As we explore the history of lunar exploration, one mission stands out: Apollo 8. Launched in 1968, it was the first manned mission to orbit the moon, and it marked a major milestone in space travel. The mission provided us with the first images of the moon's far side, giving us a glimpse into the unknown. Since then, we've had several other missions that have expanded our knowledge of the moon. In the last decade, there have been some remarkable discoveries about the moon's dark side. One of the most significant findings is the presence of water ice in the permanently shadowed craters near the lunar poles. This has huge implications for future lunar missions and even potential human settlements. Additionally, the far side's geology is distinct from the near side, with more ancient rocks and fewer maria, the large dark basins visible on the moon's surface. Another surprising discovery is the existence of a massive crater on the far side, known as the South Pole-Aitken Basin. It's one of the largest and oldest impact craters on the moon, and its composition is unlike anything found on the near side. These discoveries are not only expanding our understanding of the moon, but also raising new questions about its formation and evolution. As we summarize the main points discussed today, it's clear that the moon's dark side is a fascinating and complex region that still holds many secrets. The importance of continued exploration and research cannot be overstated. By studying the moon's far side, we're not only gaining insights into the moon's history, but also developing new technologies and strategies that will aid us in future space travel. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the moon's dark side. If you have any thoughts on lunar exploration, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my other videos on space discoveries, and I'll catch you in the next one.